Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning comments. Well, it's cold here in Chicago. Temperatures, though, should moderate as the week progresses, and maybe we'll get back to something closer to normal. As far as the markets are concerned, in the beans, we're down about 7 cents in the beans. We're trying to decide in the soybean market what's more important, the nearby record demand or the fact that some of the dry areas of southern Brazil and Argentina got rains over the weekend. Should get some rains this week and help alleviate some of the dryness, at least for now. Long-range maps for Argentina are drier, though, so it's something that needs to be watched. And also northeast Brazil is starting to dry out a little bit. So again, we really can't just say that South America is going to be fine, and we have to keep watching during the growing season, but we are taking a little weather premium overnight out of the soybean market. As far as corn is concerned, it's kind of the tale of two cities. You've got record demand, you've got record supply. We're down about a penny overnight. Cash basis levels are firming domestically. Farmers not selling. The processors are bidding up for corn with their good margins, and so that kind of keeps corn in a trading range. The wheat market caught a bid overnight, up about 3 cents in Kansas City wheat. We had some pretty cold temperatures down in Kansas. Not a lot of snow cover, so we'll see if there's any stress to the winter wheat crop there. Again, the growing point's below the ground, so it shouldn't be a problem. And still, as far as U.S. weather forecast is concerned, that area of the country should stay drier than normal. 6 to 10 day calls for temperatures to get a little bit above normal. Still a lot of precip around the Midwest, which is good for next year's crops. Outside markets, we had crude and the dollar firming up a little bit after being lower overnight. We'll see what the stock market does. China stocks were lower, on concern that their new economic policy may actually slow their economy. Export inspections should be close to 70 million bushels in the beans, maybe 40 million in the corn, maybe 20 million in the wheat. USDA is currently using the 16 and 17 soybean carryout at 480 million bushels. The range of guesses is from as low as 460 to as high as 500. In corn, 2,400 is their number, and everyone's pretty much at that number. Wheat's 1143, and everybody's just a tad above that on maybe a little bit lower demand numbers. So the numbers haven't really changed that much. We still have record global stocks of corn, beans, and wheat, which limits the upside in the marketplace. And support comes because of the lack of farmers selling here in the United States as we go into the end of the year, and record demand. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.